Okay, the futures markets just have opened up. We're seeing the DXY continuing to go up, and we actually, as I'm making this video, just broke another all-time high for the last, I believe, the last 20 years. This is a major high as it's happening right now. The NASDAQ is opening up green. We have the S&P opening up green. So a little bit of mixed signals here in the markets, and the reason why things did what they did on Friday, where we got a pump in the morning and then we have some data coming out about Russia and sanctions and gas that crashed stocks and crypto. So we're seeing a recovery move potentially from that. We might be seeing a potential furtherment of that move, and the DXY is surely responding to that. But maybe the DXY is most likely going to be topping out here very soon, as there's so many indicators behind the scenes letting us know that a crash is very, very due for the DXY, which is the US dollar index, meaning that when the DXY crashes, this thing is going to crash hard. And guess what? When the DXY crashes, cryptos pump super, super hard. We are waiting for that next big move of the DXY, as it's been going up the last couple of weeks, preventing cryptocurrencies from pumping and making big gains. With the Ethereum merge taking place here soon, I do see the DXY very, very soon, this month, a couple of times, seeing a decent dip. And every time there is a decent dip with the DXY, there's great and profitable trades to be made within the crypto market. And that's why I highly recommend you join tier 3 in the Patreon. The link is in my video description. But guys, before we get into the video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin, altcoins. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications on. So getting into the video, what we can see here, ladies and gentlemen, is that Ethereum is attempting to break out again and to bounce from the rejection over on Friday. We've been watching this chart for quite a while. We're actually seeing other coins like Shiba Inu, which are up significantly, break out as well from the similar patterns. Dogecoin, Cardano is looking very good, especially with that news of the hard fork coming, I believe the 22nd of September. Correct me if I am wrong. We have Bitcoin looking decent, actually confirming to a degree a bounce off the previous resistance, now becoming support. So we're going to see if this move ends up playing out. The markets are not very strong. The markets are not very bullish. The markets are very bearish, in my opinion, because any type of piece of news that comes out crashes cryptos, crashes the stocks. So guys, just be aware of that and be prepared that there is a very volatile market that we are in right now, and we can crash and pump at any second. So I highly recommend, it's not financial advice, but if you are trading these markets, when you realize a profit, take profits before the whales take profits before you, because the people that make money in this market, they make their moves before the whales do. They make their moves before the whales do. They take profits before the whales do. And guess what? The whales, they take profits before the retail investors and the new investor. And those people get wrecked all the time. Don't be like them. Don't be like them, especially if you are trading. So the markets are looking decent. Honestly, I'm not very bullish right now, but let's go ahead and dive into some of these indicators to let us know if this breakout is valid, if it's strong, and where we are headed. So just pulling up the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is if we take a look at the MACD, we're getting a pretty decent cross under the 0 line, which is pretty bullish. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see a continuation of this move as well as a decent bounce from the RSI. So actually quite decent. These are somewhat bottom indicators and letting us know that there is some strength left in our current position. So not a lot of bearishness we're seeing with the indicators behind the scenes, and we're seeing somewhat of a bullish chart here playing out. We have a breakout. Ethereum does need to break 1650. If we can break this, there's going to be a lot further upside for the continuation of this recovery and bullish move that will take us to about 1720, which that next move will be 1800, and then we're eventually going to be climbing our way up to $2,000, which can be quite possible with the Ethereum merge taking place here very, very soon. I do believe that there is going to be a couple of pumps between now and the final mint of the Ethereum merge, and there's also going to be crashes and dumps as well. I do understand that, and there is probably a very strong possibility that the Ethereum merge, or sometime very soon after the final part of the Ethereum merge, there's probably going to be some crashes. May or may not happen. We might just pump to the moon. Who knows? That has happened before with major Ethereum upgrades. So just understand that. But the reason why I think there is going to be some crashes or dumps, because a lot of people are buying in anticipation of the Ethereum merge, especially a lot of new people for their first time. And whales are quite keen to this scenario, and they are also, we're in an overall bearish market, a very highly volatile market. So during those times, it's very, very easy to see significant crashes and a lot of market manipulation, which an example is the same thing, one and the same. So overall, the market's looking decent. I'm not super bullish right now, but the charts are indicating further upside, at least for the immediate short term, the next couple of days. We're going to have to see if we get rejected off this resistance level 1650 for Ethereum, or if we break out of it. So there's a couple of things that we're going to be watching for. So if you want to get access to the most profitable trade alerts on the internet, go ahead and join Patreon. The link is in my video description, especially join tier 3 where you can get access to all the alerts and to be a part of the trading group. Make sure you claim your $5,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. It is the best crypto trading platform out there. Where you can get up to $5,000 for free money by depositing crypto using the link in my video description. If you're in the US, use a VPN. I also have a new course, a mentoring program to teach you how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies. If you are interested in that, apply with the link in my video description. Guys, thank you so much for staying to the end. That is it for this video. Have a happy holiday weekend. I will see you tomorrow.